Rightio, we are out feeding the horses at the moment. How are we, baby?
Just good.
Are you getting
inside?
You look terrified.
Just a little bit.
Why are you terrified?
There's a storm coming.
Is there?
What is there?
Is that what you call a storm? It's only a little one. She looks pretty good, actually. So we are going to go and finish feeding these ponies, and Nettie here is going to go and sit inside and probably pull your pants.
That was lightning.
That was lightning. Nettie's terrified of storms, so you right, babe?
Yep, let's go.
Are you sure?
Yep.
So Nettie's just gone inside now, and we've just finished feeding the horses, and it's coming at us. Looking out over the neighbour's place there, you can actually see the rain starting to come this way. Hear the thunder. You can see on the radar, here comes the rain, here comes the storm, looking all promising, and then it just went west of us. Just missed us with a blue dot in the middle. Oh well, better luck on the next one. But at least we're getting a little bit of rain out of it. Not too heavy, but at least it's coming down. So we just had the storm go through, and it missed us, but look what we got out of it. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow.